This lesson is 12.6 in Go Math. Let's read the title. Ready? Go. Metric units of length. Okay, essential question. How can you use models to compare metric units of length? Okay, remember, what is the metric unit called? Meter. Okay, meter. Everything at the end of metric length will say meter. It could say decameter, it could say millimeter, but it's always going to say meter when it's measuring length. Good. Okay, investigate. Here we go. Meters, decimeters. Oh, let's read this together. Ready? Go. Meters, widthmeters, centimeters, and millimeters are all metric units of length. Okay, notice how they abbreviated those. You get to use these abbreviations, but in order to use them, you have to know them, right? Yeah. So what's the abbreviation for meter? M. And decimeter? D. Notice they're lowercase. Okay, centimeters is? CM, and millimeters is? MM. Good, and they all end with meters, right? Yes. Okay, so first of all, a meter stick, and I showed you this before. A meter stick shows how these units are related. So if you have a meter right here, if you look at a meter stick, we have a millimeter is like the length of your fingernail. Okay, we talked about that. A centimeter is the width of your finger. Okay, and then if you have 10 of those are decimeters. 10 of those are decimeters. Okay, so what we just did, as I paused this video, is we colored in a millimeter, and then we colored in a centimeter. And how many millimeters did it take to make a centimeter? 10. 10, good. And then that gave us 1 centimeter. Then we had to color in how many centimeters to make a decimeter? 10. 10, yeah, notice the pattern, it's 10 every time you move over. And then we used how many decimeters to make a meter? 10, yeah, exactly, 10. 10's the pattern in metric, it's awesome. So, look at your meter strip, and we have one right up here. What patterns do you notice? 1 meter is 10 times as long as a, write it down, is 10 times. Okay, and then 1 decimeter is 10 times as long as 1 centimeter. Write it down. Okay, and then 1 centimeter is
10 times as long as
yeah, let's say it excited though. 1 centimeter is
10 times as long as
1 millimeter. Okay, so describe the pattern you use. What you see. It is how many times? 10 times as many when you move to the bigger unit. Okay, very good. So if you lined up 1,000 meter sticks, 1,000 of these, end to end, the length of the meter sticks would be 1 kilometer, because it would be 1,000. If you had 10 of these meter sticks, it would be a if you had 10 decameters, you would have a hectometer, and if you had 10 hectometers, you would have 1 kilometer, right? Okay, everybody with me? All right, so let's draw conclusions here. Compare the size of 1 meter to the size of 1 centimeter. Okay, what is it? How many centimeters to make 1 meter? How many centimeters to make 1 meter? Okay, so if you have 1 meter, remember times 10. 100. Oh my goodness, that looks familiar because how many cents are in $1?
100.
Exactly. So like we use base 10 when we're counting normally. And that's all that we're doing here. So it would take, everyone should be writing, take 100 centimeters to make a meter. Meter. That's an M. Okay, very good. Okay, and let's look at the second page now. Okay, it says compare the size of 1 meter to the size of 1 millimeter. So right now, let's go ahead and write our song to help us out with this. Okay, everybody? So let's just write the initials of the first letter. So King Hector died unusual. Drinking chocolate milk. Oh my goodness, I see some people that just let me do the work for them. That's silly because I already know this. So King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. That'll help you remember it. Okay, do you have to look up at the thing?
Yes.
Only to check, but try and do it in your head. King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Very good. So the question says, compare the size of 1 meter. So let's put 1 under the unit because remember, the unit is meter in this case. So the size of 1 meter to the size of 1 millimeter. Okay, remember every time you move this way, you just add a 0 to it. So we're going to millimeter. So we put 0, 0, 0. So how many millimeters are in a meter? 1,000, because we have 3 zeros behind it, right? Yes. Okay. Very good. So there are 1,000 we can just abbreviate, millimeters in 1 meter. Okay, everybody writes. Okay. All right. Okay, studying this now. All right, number 3. What operation could you use to find how many centimeters are in 3 meters? What did we do when we put all those zeros behind it? What did we do? We
multiplied by 10.
Yeah, so when it's asking for what operation, it's saying what did we use to help us with that? We used
Multiply by 10.
We used multiplication to help find how many millimeters in 1 meter. Very good. All right, awesome, awesome. Let's make connections. You can use different metric units to describe the same length. For example, you can measure the length of a book as 3 decimeters or as 30 centimeters. Since the metric system is based on the number 10, decimals or fractions can be used to describe metric length as equivalent units. So think of 1 meter as 1 whole. We're going to think of 1 meter as what?
1 whole.
Yeah. Okay, use your meter strip to write equivalent units as fractions and decimals. So let's go ahead and use our King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk as well. So here we go. We have 1 meter is 10 decimeters. So let's just for good practice, write King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. We know everything over here ends with I's, and everything over here is the big, huge kilo, hecto, and deca. And everything to the right of the unit is deci, centi, and milli with I's at the end. They have pretty I's. Okay, so 1 meter, let's put 1 under the unit, is how many decimeters? We move this way, 1. So it's going to be how many? 10. Very good. So each decimeter is 10 or tenths of a meter. Okay, so let's say 1 meter again, and we're going to centimeters this time. So put a 0 under the centa, and there we have it. So 1 meter is 100 or 100 of a meter. Very good. So complete the sentence. Now let's go down here. Let's just keep writing these numbers under here. So a length of 51 centimeters. So let's go to 51 centimeters. 51 is right under the centa. Is how much of a meter? Okay, let's look at it. Let's think of it in terms of fractions, okay? So if we think of it in terms of fractions like that, if it's 51, we would write 51 over 100. And what is that in decimals?
0.51.
0.51. Yep, exactly. Of a whole meter, because this is the whole right here. This is the whole. So if you think of the decimal right here, it's 0.51. Okay, if you're going back that way. All right, so let's try 8 decimeters. So put 8 under deci. Okay, and we're going to meters again. So this goes right before. So it's 0 under the unit. So what is 0.8 as a fraction?
0.8.
8 or 8 tenths, right? Because we're just going over one place. Okay, so what is it as a decimal? 0.8. Okay, now think of 82 centimeters. Let's put 82 under the centa. So that means 2 is under the centa and 8 is under the deci. There's that decimal again, and we have 0 units. So how do we write that as a fraction? 82 hundredths. And as a decimal, 0.82. Very good. Okay, let's look at the next page. Drinking. Ooh. Okay, share and show. All right, here we go. We have a best friend to the right again. How nice, huh? But we also have our King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk method, which will help you so much too. Yes. Okay, so number 2. 2 meters is how many centimeters? Let's go ahead and write our King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Every time we write it, we're going to remember it better. So write King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Okay, 2 meters. What do we put when we're looking for meters? What do we put it under? The U, right? Because that's the unit. So we put 2 under meters, and we're going to centimeters. So we go 1, 2 to fill into centimeters. So 2 meters is how many centimeters?
200.
Yeah, 200. Everybody's doing this with me. So 200 centimeters. Okay. All right, now we're going 3 centimeters. So let's put 3 under the centa. And we're going to millimeters. So if we're going over one place to milli, we have how many?
30.
30. Yeah, exactly. Are we starting to have ahas?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 deci. Where do we put 5 under? Deci. Yep. So put 5 under deci. And we're going to centa. So we go over to centa and we put a 0 under centa. Okay, 5 decimeters is how many centimeters? 50. Yes. Oh, are we getting excited about this?
Yeah.
It's awesome, huh? Okay. All right, now we're going to do the same thing down here. Remember when you're going to a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you times or multiply, right? And that's the same thing that we're doing. We're going to the right when you multiply. Okay, so meters to decimeters. So let's put 4 under the meters, or the unit. And we're going to deci. So we just go over 1. It's how many? 40. So 40 decimeters is what to 40 decimeters?
Equals.
Equals. Good. Okay, I'm going to let you do The rest up to 11 with your partner. Partner A's explain. What?
Even.
Partner B's explain.
Odd.
Everybody.
Right.
Ready, go.